Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong April 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer any services. No? So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or direct na kayo mag-book sa aking calendar. Meron dyan sa link, medyo link sa description or comment section. Kung wala, dun kayo sa website. O kaya naman, email nyo ako, mysticqueenph@gmail.com. Okay, let's see, Sag. Ano yung energy ng love life ng mga Sagittarius ngayong April? Astrology isn't a personality disorder. Yung iba sa inyo, some of you, no, masyado nyong ina-associate yung zodiac sign ng isang tao sa kanyang personality. Okay lang naman yun kung talagang naiintindihan niyo yung buong concept ng astrology. Pero kung sa sun sign lang, kung kailan lang yung birthday niya, kasi ganun sun sign lang kasi yun. So, kailangan rin kilalanin mo siya, like buong chart niya, alam mo yung time of birth niya, para ma-check mo yung information or yung tendencies ng connection ng person na to. You can't vibe your way out of accountability. Oh my God. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong iniiwasan. Oo. Yung bang, minsan nadidistract kayo sa mga bagay na dapat nyo na talagang gawin. Dahil lang sa, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong obsession about a certain relationship or a person na parang nawawalan na kayo sa focus. Oh. So, kailangan unahin mo pa rin kung ano yung mga responsibilities mo. Just because they are hot, doesn't mean they're spiritually alive. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, Sag, pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng interes sa isang tao na parang, yung bang pag nakita mo siya is, very, very, sensual or hot, ganyan. But, hindi porket may strong attraction ka sa isang tao, ibig sabihin nun, you are meant to be na talaga. 'Di ba? Or meron kayong connection as in spiritual connection, like past life connection. Maybe it's just an attraction. So, kailangan din, ikaw ay, alam mo rin yung difference nung pagkakaiba nila. Okay. Let's see what else. Sagittarius. Baka meron kayo nagugustuhan na hot, sexy, ganyan. You have the High Priestess, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Oh, some of you, meron kayong nagugustuhan. Pwedeng secretly nagugustuhan mo to. You've been, parang inaalam mo yung mga bagay tungkol sa kanya, ano yung favorite food niya, or ano yung background niya, ganon. Kasi some of you are really parang hulog na hulog sa isang tao na pwedeng pwedeng nagsistart pa lang yung connection nyo or kayo na talaga. But for some of you, this is like parang crush energy na wanting to know, get to know someone. Window, a new adventure in love is coming. Oy! Adventure in love, oh. Baka ito yung mag-open ng opportunity, like a door of new love for you kung kayo ay single. Unseen, love can be blind, unsure you're not over. Oh, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko. Okay, baka meron kayong mga hindi nakikita tungkol dito sa taong to. Siyempre, halimbawa, gwapo, maganda, like physically attractive. Pero may red flags pala, hindi mo lang napapansin. Hmm. Kaya, dapat ano rin, open-minded ka. Hindi yung dun ka lang nakafocus. Your hope and optimism are a powerful magnet for you right now. Uy, mga Sagittarius, very optimistic yan eh. Positive thinker. So, when it comes to your connections, no, whether this is a romantic relationship na talaga, or nagsisimula pa lang, you're getting to know each other, hinay-hinay lang, okay? Minsan parang lagi natin inisip na, okay, itong taong to halos perfect na. But, you know what, meron at meron yung flaws. So, nasa sa'yo na yan if you are willing to accept the flaws of the person. Kasi minsan, masyado tayong perfectionist na parang, uy, akala mo walang pagkakamali tong taong to, tapos biglang, meron pala. At yung iba, baka ma-turn off kayo, di ba? Priorities. The quality of your life is determined by how you spend your time. Make sure your schedule reflects the life you want. Yes. So, ayun na nga. This is about accountability sa gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Let's say, you want to have a serious relationship. Eh di kailangan, maging seryoso ka rin sa paghahanap ng mga taong maayos yung background, maganda yung upbringing, or nag-a-align talaga sa qualities na gusto mo. 'Di ba? Mm. So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.